To be honest, this beans recipe is a must that you must watch because after making your beans this way, you will come back and give me my crown. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best yummiest beans, and trust me, you're going to enjoy it. First, you're going to get your well ripe plantain, and what you have to do with this plantain I will put you through. You're going to peel out the back of your plantain all out, okay? So once you're done peeling out the plantain, you're going to add in your salt. Make sure you massage it very well into your plantain like I am doing on the screen. After you're done, you're going to pop this into your air fryer or your oven, whichever one you have, and allow this plantain to grill. Now you're going to get your honey beans, wash thoroughly well. I love to wash my beans as cardless time as I want because I don't want any dead. Because whenever I'm making my beans, I am very scared of the sand or the peel. You have to wash very well. Make sure you select, and after selecting, wash very well. After washing these beans, you're going to pour it into your pan, add some onion, and add your water. Allow your beans to cook well. You have to have patience whenever you're making your beans. You're going to pop in some fresh tomato, onion, and some pepper like I am doing, and you're going to grate this. After grating it, you're going to pour in into a bowl and slice some onion. Okay, so we're making use of onion so much, and also we're using the pumpkin leaf in this particular beans recipe. I am going to make sure that everything I need is well ready. Yes, I'm using pomo to make my beans. Now my plantain is well ready, and I'm going to pieces my plantain, add my onion, my fresh tomato that I have grated, and also my pomo. Go in with my seasoning cube. We're using some Knorr seasoning cube here, and also make sure you add enough crayfish. At this point, you make sure that you stir everything perfectly well, and you're going to go in with some black pepper for a little bit spice. Okay, now I am going to stir this perfectly well, and my beans is well soft, and my plantain is going to go in into these beans. Please, whenever you're making your beans, make sure you exercise patience. You have to make your beans to be very soft. When I mean very soft, when you're eating your beans this way, you're going to enjoy it. Tell me if you're not going to be liking this recipe that I am teaching you. Now I'm going to go in with my pumpkin leaf. My pumpkin leaf is the last thing that has to go in, and don't cook it so much here because your food is literally very ready. So you're going to allow your pumpkin leaf to cook for about 1 minute, and you are going to do the last thing. You're going to be stirring everything, like you're going to mix. When I mean mix, oh my god, the flavor of this food is everything. And whenever you're making this food, please don't tamper justice of not adding crayfish. Make sure you add enough crayfish because I did so well. This food was everything, and I definitely enjoy it. And thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. So here I am going to just be giving it a stay, a stay, a stay, a stay, a stay. I was so happy because making beans is something that I love so much, and I love to make it to perfection. I'm going to put you on my another recipe on how I make. Even if you're not craving for beans, tell me if you're not going to crave for these beans that I made here. Tell me. Imagine having this with pap. Okay, bye.